Put your hands together. You say that you need me in the worst way. Are you teasing? Baby, I'm not for those type of games no more. You are so attractive, but what is it that you're asking? Trying to swindle me out of this river love. No. Can I be respected? Your suggestions are ridiculous. I don't think you can satisfy my needs. Whoa, whoa, brother, save it. Oh, now should I have your baby? Then go find yourself some kind of decency and get out my face, cause it's no way. The words that you were speaking to me, not today. I really don't have time for this, no way. Do you understand that it's no way? Cause it's no way. Maybe you can catch me on a rainy day, but even then I better be no way. Do you understand this in English? Oh. Here you come again now, don't you get it? I'm not intrigued by your lack of self-respect to disgust me. No apologies now, first impressions, introductions is something you need to work on approaching. Yeah. Oh, I don't need you perfect, but I need you perfect for me. You messed all that. Cause you crossed my space, cause there's no way. The words that you were speaking to me, not today. I really don't have time for this, no way. Do you understand that it's no way? Cause it's no way. Maybe you can catch me on a rainy day, but even then I better be no way. Do you understand this in English? Are you blind? Are you listening to the words that are coming out my mouth? See, baby, you can't disrespect a lady, 'cause when you do, you disrespect all ladies. So check yourself and know how you're behaving isn't cool. See, if you wanna came correctly, baby, you might have had your chance here with me, baby. Could start over, baby. Do I approve? No. No way. No way. Not today. Not today. No way. Do you understand that it's no way? 'Cause it's no way.